I generally do 15 to 20 consultation calls related to immigrations and international recruitment every day. And one of the standard question I get asked is, sir, I am 10 to 15 years experienced in India. Can I get a job in Canada or Australia or any other country? Yeah, the answer is yes, you can get a job, but each country acts in a different way. For Western countries like US or Canada or Australia, you first need to have the immigration status and then only you will be able to get the job. Which means when you are applying for jobs in these three countries from India, just because you have experience, the employers won't hire you because you lack the immigration status. In fact, they don't even interview you if you don't have the authority to work, which means you need to have a work permit. But there are many countries wherein you can apply for jobs while you are in India and employer will hire you, and then once you are hired, they will sponsor you the work visas. Most of the Middle Eastern countries, if they like your profile, they first do your interview, and then if they like your profile, they will right away sponsor you a work permit so that you can come to that country and start working for that employer. There are many European countries like Luxembourg, Norway, Ireland, Germany, and Italy, wherein you can directly apply for jobs, and if they like your profile, they will hire you, and they first give you a work permit which is valid for 6 months, and then you can go to that country within that 6 months and search for job within those 6 months based on that visa, and if you get a job, the work permit can be extended. So if you are not able to get work permit in Western countries like US, Canada or Australia, you can try to explore Middle Eastern countries and European countries wherein you can get a job even without a work permit, and you can get a work permit sponsored later once you are finalized for the job offer.